Grandiose, welcome back to my channel. Today we have look incredible beauty box. This beauty box comes every other month and they call it my secret box, and this is the August one. I don't know why, but they send it super late to me. I guess it depends when you subscribe, but yeah, the value I pay like £65 plus shipping because I'm not in the UK, and I will leave all the info on my blog about the box, and the link will be down below. You can check it out. But this month's box value was £145. This box always contains 5 full-size products and everything is luxury, so that's why I like it. I feel like when it's luxury beauty, there is a less chance I receive something that doesn't work at all for me. I mean, color preference is one thing, but like you know, finding a product that is total bullshit, which I felt with Style Dome box. Most of the times we got like filler products. I mean, sheet mask. You say 5 full-size items and you put me a sheet mask in it. I mean, I love a good sheet mask, but still, like, it's a filler product. Or eyeshadow trio that's like £18, but the quality of it is bullshit. Anyway, I will calm down now and let's see what I got. First one is Fenty Beauty. Now in these little magazines they say Fenty Matchstick in Champagne Haze, but I think they ran out, and I got the Gloss Bomb Universal Lip, and the shade I have is a Diamond Milk. And to be honest, I wanted to try Fenty Beauty glosses, and this is like a beautiful color. It has an enormous, and it has like a nice sweet scent to it. I have heard amazing things, so I think it's a great way to have a topper, lip topper, and I like these type of glosses, and the packaging is gorgeous. So this retails I think around £25. Next we have my mascara from my favorite mascara brand ever, and it's LANCOME. It's their wide angle extreme volume mascara up to 24-hour wear, and it's the shade 01 Noir Extreme. And yeah, when it first came out I did not try it. It comes in this beautiful packaging, and it has a very interesting kind of wand. I'm eager to try it out. It retails for £27, and I know I love Lancome mascaras, and this is a win. Then there was another item from a brand called Suqqu. I hope I pronounced it correctly. But this time we got their Pure Color Blush. Look how thin packaging. This is ideal for travel, I would say. And the blush shade is Owai Urushibi. And it's kind of this kind of a color. I think it's a very nice wearable shade. You can go more nude or you can go more pink, and then you can pretty much smoosh everything together and you have like very nice pink shade, which is here. It's not very like in your face. You do need to, how to say, you can build it up, which I do like it. I got rid of the applicator, but yeah, the packaging is super slim. I really do like, I do like a slim packaging. And the blush retails for £34. Next we have NARS. I'm always happy to get some NARS, and this is the light reflecting setting powder pressed. This retails for £29, and this is how it looks, the usual NARS Sleek Compact, and here's the powder. Yeah, it looks nice. I love a good powder blush. It looks kind of weird, but I don't know. I have to try it and see how I like my NARS. And the last item is something from Dior. It's that Dior Lipstick Rouge Liquid Lip Stain. I have the shade 362 Impulsive Matte. This looks very beautiful. And the swatch is here. So bright. When I get those winter blues, this is gonna be my go-to lip color. So yeah, this is it for this month. I can't wait for the next one, but I am a little bit worried about Brexit because I do not want to pay duties on this box. So we will see if I end up canceling it or not, but yeah, let's hope it doesn't come to be, because I really enjoy this box. It's like my favorite subscription box at the moment. There is always so great selection of products, and mostly I do get makeup. I do not want to get skincare that much because I like to choose my own skincare, and I don't want some random product ruining my skin. So I don't think they will have bad products in it, but you know what I mean. Like, my skincare is very mixed and matched together, that I know the products work for me. So I want to stick to the things I know and love. But yes, if you did like this video, please give me thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.